Thankful si Kapuso Global Fashion Icon Heart Evangelista na napabilang siya sa World's Top Influencers. Ginajuggle niya nga raw ngayon ang fashion at trabaho bilang bagong presidente ng Senate Spouses Foundation. Watch this. Another challenge unlocked para kay Heart Evangelista ang pagkakahirang niya as the new president of the Senate Spouses Foundation bilang may bahay ni Senate President Cheese Escudero. Tinanggap niya ito ng maluwag knowing na marami siyang matutulungan sa kanyang bagong role.
So I was very surprised. But you know, sa lahat naman ng bagay, kung binigay sa'yo, you have to fully accept. And you know, I never do anything half-baked. I'm always 100%. So gagawin ko kung anong kaya kong gawin.
Kakayanin daw ni Hart na pagsabayin ang bagong responsibility at ang pagiging fashion icon. Sa katunayan, paalis si Hart para sa Paris Fashion Week. At sa masusing time management, kaya daw niyang pagsabayin ang mga ito.
From the heart, lahat ng gagawin ko sa Senate Spouses Foundation. But I really want it to matter. I don't know how much time I have, so I will do my best.
Meron na kayong napaplano ba?
Madami na, actually. Madami na. Pero I'd rather them see. Mas gusto ko na kaysa salita, gawa na lang.
Speaking of being a fashionista, number 4 ang ranking ni Hart sa top 20 global celebrities in fashion and sportswear ng fashion report ng isang cloud-based performance benchmarking software. Kasama niya sa listahan ng South Korean boy bands na ENHYPEN at NCT, pati na sina Dua Lipa, Becky G, Dwayne Johnson at It's Showtime host Ann Curtis.
It's always a shock, diba? Especially. But then, you know, when you like something and you're very authentic about something, about being yourself, hopefully laging ganun that it would, you know, people would appreciate that.
Mga kapuso, maging updated sa showbiz happenings anumang oras. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. At para sa mga kapuso abroad, bisitahin ang GMA Pinoy TV at www.gmanews.tv.